Hey everyone! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing different ways to make money online. With the advancement of technology, it's become easier than ever to earn a living from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash on the side or replace your full-time job, there are countless opportunities available online. In this video, we'll be discussing 5 different ways to make money online. Freelancing. Freelancing is a popular way to make money online, and it involves working for clients on a project-by-project basis. Freelancers can work in a wide range of industries, from writing and graphic design to programming and web development. Some popular freelancing platforms include Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. Freelancing is a great way to turn your skills and expertise into cash. To succeed as a freelancer, it's important to focus on a niche or specialty that you're passionate about and that has a high demand in the market. Additionally, it's important to build a strong portfolio of work and to market yourself effectively on freelancing platforms and social media. When it comes to setting your rates as a freelancer, it's important to consider your experience level, the complexity of the project, and the value you're providing to the client. Don't undervalue your work, but also be realistic about the market rates for your industry. Online surveys. Online surveys are a simple way to earn money online. Companies and organizations are always looking for feedback on their products and services, and they're willing to pay for it. Some popular survey sites include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research. While online surveys may not pay as much as other methods on this list, they can be a quick and easy way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. To maximize your earnings from surveys, sign up for multiple survey sites and be consistent in completing surveys regularly. Additionally, look for surveys that offer higher payouts and don't require too much time or effort. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services on your website or social media channels and earning a commission on any sales made through your unique affiliate link. Some popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, Commission Junction, and ClickBank. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to earn passive income online. To succeed as an affiliate marketer, it's important to choose products or services that align with your audience and that you truly believe in. Additionally, it's important to create high-quality content that effectively promotes the product or service and to build a strong relationship with your audience. Online teaching. Online teaching has become increasingly popular in recent years, and it's a great way to make money from your skills and expertise. You can teach anything from languages and music to academic subjects and professional skills. Some popular online teaching platforms include Udemy, Coursera, and Teachable. Online teaching can be a great way to share your skills and expertise with others while earning money from the comfort of your own home. To succeed as an online teacher, it's important to create high-quality courses that provide value to your students and to market them effectively on online teaching platforms and social media. Additionally, consider offering coaching or consulting services to supplement your income and provide additional value to your students. Selling products online. Finally, selling products online can be a lucrative way to make money. Whether you're selling handmade crafts on Etsy or drop shipping products on Shopify, there are countless ways to sell products online. Some popular e-commerce platforms include Amazon, eBay, and Etsy. Selling products online can be a profitable way to earn money, but it requires a bit more upfront investment and effort than some of the other methods on this list. To succeed as an online seller, it's important to choose a niche or product that you're passionate about and that has a high demand in the market. Additionally, it's important to create a high-quality website or online store, to market your products effectively on social media and other platforms, and to provide exceptional customer service to build a loyal customer base. So there you have it, different ways to make money online with some examples. Of course, there are many other ways to make money online, but these are some of the most popular and accessible options. Whether you're looking to make a little extra cash or start a full-time online business, there's something for everyone online. So, which method are you going to try? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.